YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul. So first, if you're stopping by, I want to say welcome and welcome back. If you're a returning viewer. I have a haul. It's been about 2 weeks. I haven't had a chance to put it up because I was working on some organizing stuff, and I just had time to get to this because I was doing that. So this is from scrapbook.com online. I had put a notification on their website for them to notify some products that came in, and I ordered them. It's been a few weeks, so I just haven't had a chance to do the video. But I'm going to start out. I haven't even taken out the package, but I just took this out. But I am going to show you what I did get free. So let's see. It was with Craft Design. Sent me a postcard. What did it say? Just telling you to shop there, and about the advertisement for the domed foam pads. And then I did get these hieroglyphic. Look at that. You can really see that. Letters for free. That's what I love about them. I always give you something for free. And I always get a magazine for free. You know, all you gotta do is click it. When you get checkout, you can get your free magazines. And they always have other specials that you can get as well. My friend Lisa turned me onto that info, I guess, a year ago, this little scrappy. And I've been doing it ever since. And then I get text messages when they have other goodies, too. They give away stamps and paper and glue and tape and other stuff. So, yeah, need a place to order. So, anyway, this is great. And this is a new magazine. This is, what month is this? Does it say? I know it's different than the one I got last month. And, of course, you know, again, it has all the inspiration and different things in there and products and stuff. So, that's why I love it. I can't beat it. Free. So now on to what I did purchase. Sorry about the sound. I'm going to rip open. And these bags are reusable. Well, nope. That one's burst open. So let me move that one out of the way. Alright. So this was just a little tiny Technique Tuesday stamp. It says, it's not a card, it's a masterpiece, right? That's how we feel as paper crafters. Yes, I stamped, excuse me, all the things. I made this. It's priceless. This card took me hours to make. Love it, cherish it. So I just thought it was a cute little stamp set. This is what I had on notification. This is another one of those LDRS sentiments stacks, and it was on sale as well. And this is the Happy Birthday stack, and it had been, you know, saying it was going to come for months, and finally it came. So I went on and got it. It says, I hope your day is filled with extra icing. Yeah, we don't need extra icing, but sure is good. Happy birthday. Eat lots of cake. Belated birthday wishes. May all your wishes come true. Yeah, it's your birthday. Birthdays are for celebrating. It's time to celebrate with cake. Sending birthday hugs and wishes, sweet wishes, and wishing you a big slice of happiness. So I wanted to get that along with the other sentiment strips. So I love having these. And then I saw Lisa with this. She got the same one. We both ended up getting the same postcard stamp. So she has that too. And I happened to order the same thing. That's too funny. But we both ordered the same thing. I saw it on her video. I was like, oh, man, really? That's what I had coming. And my order came in the very next day. So see, great crafters think alike. But anyway, this is a slapstick cling. It's a postal, as you can see. And has a little place for the postcard for you to write. And it says, this card hand stamped by. And it says message. And please deliver to. So I just thought it was cute to make some faux postcards or real postcards. And this is what I also had in my cart forever and ever. And I finally went on and got them. But these are the faces, and this is the bear faces. And I got them because it's hard to find some of the Afrocentric faces, the facial features. It doesn't necessarily mean that they are African. I think also you could probably use maybe with a Samoan, some of the nasal features or whatever, not just African, but or black, but different features as well. But just having those different ethnic kind of looks, I think is great. And of course, I got this for my art journal. This is by Stampers Anonymous, and the artist is Danielle Mack. So she's a black artist, so of course she's a black. But I'm saying they're just nice to have because you have some different facial features, and you know. It's nice to diversify because our word is diversified, so I like having different. I would love to even have some Asian eyes, you know, a different type of stamp they had that I would love to have all. different ones. But anyway, so when I saw this, I said, oh, I was going to get it because that just adds some more diversity to what I have, because it had the full lips and the wider nostrils. So that's the sizes of those. There's 3 of those stamps there, and they were on sale. Not a huge sale, but yeah. And that one's called Bare Faces, and then this one is called Rise Above, and again, the same artist and same company, Stampers Anonymous. And this is a face right here and a moth, and it says, in transformation, you are unique, rise above, one of a kind, bold, survivor, I am healing, I am free, fearless, a thankful heart, dance in the light. So again, these are red rubber stamps, so you know you get some nice detail with that. And of course, you can extend her hair however you want to with that. And again, those sentiments can be used not just in your art journal, but on ATCs, iCads, scrapbook pages, cards, anything. So yeah, I like the sentiments to be added as well, or just making some sentiment strips. And then the last one I got is called Girls with Curls. It says, my sisters, you are beautiful, our bond is strong, connected by love. Her hair curls like the waves, her brown eyes glow like amber. And I like these because you can see the curls right there. And again, for the curly girls, whether you're black or white or whatever, I just like the curly hair, and you don't get to see that again, in most of your imageries that we have. So that's kind of nice to have something different there. So yep, so that's why I got those. And that is it for that scrapbook. My other one should be here. It's a shame I'm doing this late now. I had this for a couple of weeks. The other one is due to arrive, I think, this afternoon before 7 o'clock. So I have another one to make. That's why I'm trying to get this out the way. But anyway, that is my order. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and wonderful weekend. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.